Hey guys, join me as I organize this hot mess of an under the stair closet. Yeah, really look at this. This is a hot mess. But we will transform this into a space that you could walk through. It won't be perfect, but it'd be a space that you could walk through. So here's a before and after picture of my space. And just watch me as I clean this closet. I got a lot of junk in here, y'all. Car seats, exercise equipment, old CDs, things I need to give away. I mean, so much junk. Like literally most of it is junk. A lot of backpacks or book bags, fans, old electronics that don't work, paint. I do need the paint though. And a lot of my DIY craft items are in this closet. And it's really deep. I didn't realize how deep this closet was. Oh, and the old shelf. I don't need that. So here's me literally trying to figure out if I should put this shelf on a wall. I'm not real handy with tools, but I will be putting that shelf on the wall. All right, y'all. So it's empty. Here's all the things that I managed to get out of the closet. Other than the trampoline actually sits in the kitchen. So that is not one of the things that were in the closet. The fan, I'm not putting back in the closet. I'm going to move it into one of the rooms upstairs. This tote here has a bunch of electronic cords that I don't use. So we're going to get rid of all of those. We're going to get rid of some of the book bags. Not all of them. Some of them I still use to travel via Spirit or Frontier. You know, you got to have a certain size book bag. So those will keep. And the ones that I think are sentimental to me, I'll keep those too. But I'll be getting rid of a lot of unnecessary book bags, or in this case, that's Brody's old blue book bag. There's no reason for me to hold on to this stuff. Get it out. A lot of people, when they organize or clean up their house, they move things from one room to another. I'm not going to do that. If I see something that I know I'm not going to be using anytime soon, I'm going to get rid of it. That's really the purpose of me cleaning out this closet, to get rid of some of the junk that I have. I am not going to move it from one room to another. I'm going to get rid of it. So this large tote here is my DIY tote. I keep all of my Halloween holiday items in there. Oh yeah, this is all items that I will be throwing away or getting rid of. Giving to Goodwill, giving to somebody, or throwing away. I don't need this stuff. Again, that's the car seat, the book bags, a jacket that I don't like. And I was able to clean out another closet too. So the tote that had the electronics in it, I was able to use that tote to put some Christmas items in. So all of those items that was on the floor in that closet in the front room, this one here, now has Christmas items in it. And I put the Christmas tree right above it. And again, you want to put items that you're not going to use anytime soon farther back. And you want to put the items that you are going to need daily in the front. So that's why I'm putting the Christmas tree all the way in the back, as well as the paint, because I'm not going to be using that paint anytime soon, as I just painted my house. It's really hard to organize under the stair closet with the shape that it is. You don't get to use as much space as you want to use in the back. So my DIY tote, I put items that aren't as heavy on top of it, so I could easily access that. And for the green tote, the top is exercise equipment. The middle is some of the electronics that I chose to keep, and then the bottom is some decor that I possibly may use in the future and that I want to hold on to just a little while longer. So now I actually have room to walk in and out of the closet, unlike before. I would love to have a shelf on it, but at the moment, for this will be a two-part video. At the moment, I don't have a shelf in it. I'll need another person to help me put that shelf on the wall. So definitely stay tuned for part 2 of this video where I'll be adding that shelf to it. So this is the before and after right now. If you found this cleaning / organizational video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.